Hey there students, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of academic success and discuss how to consistently achieve those coveted A's. So let's get started. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that achieving consistent A's is not just about studying hard. It's about developing a strategic approach to learning, time management, and mental well-being. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Develop a study plan to consistently achieve A's. You need to create a study plan that works for you. This means identifying your strengths and weaknesses, setting realistic goals, and creating a schedule that allows for adequate time to study for each subject. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your plan and adjust it as needed. Step 2. Time management. Time management is crucial to achieving A's consistently. This means setting aside dedicated time for studying, avoiding procrastination, and managing your time effectively. Use tools like to-do lists, timers, and study breaks to stay focused and productive. Step 3. Stay organized. Organization is the key to academic success. Keep your notes, assignments, and study materials organized and easily accessible. Use a planner or digital tools, or a system that works for you to stay on top of your deadlines, assignments, and exam dates. Step 4. Develop good study habits. Good study habits can make a world of a difference in achieving consistent A's. This means taking notes, actively engaging with the material, using flashcards, and practicing test-taking strategies. Step 5. Mental well-being. Mental well-being is just as important as academic success. Make sure to take breaks, practice self-care, and prioritize your mental health. This will help you stay focused, motivated, and productive. Remember, achieving consistent A's is not just about studying hard, but also about developing a strategic approach to learning, time management, and mental well-being. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to academic success. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and advice. Until next time, happy studying.